come in. The door is already open for y'all. Come on in. Come on in. I was here earlier, so I left that chair. If you get tired, you can always have a seat. Let me lock us in here because we don't want nobody coming up in here on us. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, as you enter in, there's a little short entryway here. And immediately to your left, there's a dining room. Dining room. It's a bay window outside of the dining room. It's a nice size room. I don't know if I can get y'all to see it, but it's a nice size dining room. Enough for the table. I don't know if I'm gonna put a buffet in here or not. I don't think I need it. Then we come around to the kitchen. The kitchen, cabinets, and on around. Has a little bar there you can sit in. That's where the refrigerator is gonna go. I'm getting ready to go to Lowe's and purchase my refrigerator. Here's the pantry. Very nice. Then we come on around, and that's the other side where the front door we came in at. But here is as you come down that hallway, there's another nice hallway closet. And we come around to the living room. Nice size living room. Yes. Very nice. Ceiling fan. And this is the bar. I don't think I'm gonna put but 2 bar stools up here. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Maybe 3. But one on that end. One on that end. I don't know if it was appropriate to put one in front of the sink or not. But that's the bar. Y'all tell me what y'all think. And as we leave the living room, gotta unlock it, I guess. Look, I can't even operate the doors. Oh, Lord. Oh, take a rocket science. I'm not gonna walk out here today because it's wet. Well, I guess I could step out. But this is the little small back patio. Here I'll put me some chairs out here and my grill. My neighbors will also be moving in soon. They got some lots going on now. This is my backyard. It's pretty large. I'll look into getting a fence into that. But yeah. So let's go on back in here. We'll be sitting out here quite a bit, y'all. Especially this time of year. Whew. So we're back in. I'm trying to maneuver the door closed. I guess I could put my keys in my pocket, y'all. But hold on one second. Let me lock this door. Yeah, guys, I needed 2 hands to lock that darn door. Whew. We'll start here. We'll come back to the garage last. This is the first bedroom that we have here. I got all my ceiling fans on, my lights on. Oh, I guess I turned the lights off on y'all. Calm myself, turn off the fan. And this is a nice size closet for this room. Yeah, this will have to suffice my daughter while she's here. Okay. They had the lights on in every room in the house, y'all. I didn't turn these on, they did. And we come on around to the first bathroom. And that's the bathroom, y'all. It's just a bathtub, towel bar, toilet, you know, sink and stuff. I wish it was an actual drawer in here, but it's not. It's just a cabinet. But I was just talking about for my daughter. Then this is the second bedroom. which I'll be using as my office space. It's not very large, but it's big enough for me, you know, for my office. And here's the closet space for this room. It's nice size, but like I said, if my daughter needs to use it while she's here, she can, because it's just gonna be a storage closet like for Christmas decorations and stuff. And right here is where the HVAC is housed. And here in the hallway is the linen closet. And here we have it here, where you put your linens and your towels. Here we enter the sanctuary of the master bedroom. That's my room. And there you have it. Okay. Yeah. And here's the master closet, which is a pretty nice size closet. At first I thought it was supposed to be a rack here, but they say something about the depth. It wouldn't allow it, so I may put something on this wall, I don't know. But it's 2 racks now, which will suffice for me. It's a nice size closet for sure. And let's enter into the, come out. We're gonna enter into the master bathroom. And this is it, y'all. We have double vanities for her and her. That would be me. And that cabinet. And what I like about these is they do have drawers for these in the middle. He was supposed to be getting this little paint scuff off. He said he was coming back. I think he forgot about me to come, because it's still a piece of blue tape there. But anyway, yeah. And you have a garden-sized tub here. Then you have the shower, the standalone shower, which is what's important to me, you know. So when I can't step over in the tub, then you have your throne of grace right here, the toilet room. So you can have some privacy while you're in the toilet house. Anyway. And this is where we stepped in and had the blessing. This is basically the little laundry room. And this is the door to the laundry room. That's the wash and dry hookup. Let me turn the light on so y'all can see. But this is the laundry room. And it goes out. You enter into the, out to the garage. And that's the garage, y'all. And there's my blue baby, which I'll have to park a little bit better for my daughter to get her car in. But there we are, y'all. Welcome to my house. Ain't God all right?